Hey everybody, how are my Glow Tarts doing today? I hope everybody's well. All right guys, so we now have some July spoilers for the Ipsy GlamBag. This is the standard $10 subscription. So we do have 5 products that they are testing out for this bag. They will be part of the spoilers. So the first thing that we got is the Firma Beauty 204 Wide Blender Brush. And then the next thing is Mellow Cosmetics. This is the Precision Liquid Pen Eyeliner in the shade Black. And then we also have, and this is something new, I haven't seen it yet, the Ico Beach Waterproof Mascara, which is really cute. I love the Ico mascara. It's really good. And then next we have the Red Earth Brighten Concentrate Oil with, what is this? Caduco Plum? Kakadu plum something. I don't know. I'll write it right here on the screen. You know I cannot pronounce anything. And then the last thing that we have is the coffee scrub in French vanilla. So these are the 5 spoilers that we have so far for the standard Ipsy bag for July. And as soon as they reveal any more, I will keep you guys updated. So always make sure your bell is on. That way you are notified of every single video I upload. You do not want to miss any spoilers. Also guys, rate the video. Give it a thumbs up if you liked it. Give it a thumbs down if you didn't. That shows me exactly which videos you guys are enjoying and which ones I need to adjust just for you guys. And one more tiny favor before you guys go ahead and hit that subscribe button and join my Glow Tart family. We would love to have you. And I love you guys so much. And I will see you in the next one. Bye guys.